With one Blake Tatum. Blake turning the big number 4. You got to help me out, T-Bach. Pick me up on the backside of this. Where's Blake from?
Well, Blake is from Carl Junction. Yeah.
I knew that. Happy birthday, Blake. That's a good picture. I love it when we get pets involved.
All right.
You got it.
All right, coming up next, we've got Timber Haslip, turning 9 years old.
I love that name.
I do too. I bet
That is too cool.
And that's kind of a cool last name too. Might be missing a letter.
No, I've got a chance to meet the they go Haslips. Yeah,
Haslips?
they go Haslip. No, they're delightful. That first name though, that is too cool right there.
Oh, pretty.
Happy 9, Timber. Easton Lofts, now double digits, as Easton celebrates the big number 10. I have very happy birthday in Arma.
Look, she's a fellow Taylor Swift fan, just like you, Michael.
Swifties, I'm with you.
There you go.
I'll throw down. Ron, stop laughing at me.
Maverick Sharp, turning 14 years old this year. Maverick is in Parsons.
Eric Renner, 18 years old. That's cool jersey right there. What we got? Little Neosho Wildcat Pride right there for number 55.
That's one of his senior pictures.
Yeah, Eric, very happy birthday.
All right, turning 20 this year in Pittsburgh, Izzy Hall. Birthday was actually on Friday.
That's all right, we'll carry it over.
Yeah. Birthday love coming from Aunt Charity and Uncle Jamie. Happy birthday, Izzy.
Carly McQuiston, turning 28. Miss Carly, a very happy birthday to you over the weekend. Want you to know these birthday wishes as you're in Pittsburgh come with love from Mom and Dad.
And up next, we got one of our many 4-state heroes, Brandon Lewis. Thank you for your service. Turning 46 years old.
Paul Cupp, celebrating his 73rd birthday. Mr. Cupp, a very happy birthday in Crestline.
And out in Fredonia, turning 74, we have Mr. Don Braden. Happy birthday from Alan and Christina Grimmit.
That's a big dog.
Yeah.
That is a big dog right there.
Massive.
Wilma Dooley, celebrating her 83rd birthday. My greatest blessings, call me Grammy. Wow, that is tremendous. Very happy birthday to you, Miss Wilma in Columbus.
All right. Happy birthday, Miss Wilma. And Dan and Misty O'Brien are celebrating 33 years of wedded bliss. The O'Briens are in St. Paul.
In Columbus, Gary and Lisa Sandberg celebrating 36 years. My God, they don't look old enough themselves to be married 36 years. Congratulations, Gary and Lisa.
All right, and the Barnes are celebrating 40 years together. A little throwback picture there. They're in Weir, Kansas. Congratulations going out to Mark and Sue Ann Barnes.
That's a good looking shirt Mark's got on right there.
I like it.
I like that too. That's good.
I like the shades.
Yeah. Oh.
And the chops.
Yeah. You got it going on right there. Neil and Marcia Ball are celebrating their 47th anniversary. Speaking of great pictures, and how about this? I have a special message for you, Marcia. I want you to know that somebody told me that he is looking forward to the next 47 years because you truly are my treasure from heaven. And yes, that comes from Neil. Neil wanted me to pass that along. Aww. Congratulations, Neil and Marcia.
How sweet. All right, our birthday
Roger Smoot
goes on. Roger Smoot turning 61 in Chanute.
Call Roger, where's that picture?
Yeah, Kathy Leonard in Columbus, happy birthday. And then we've got a former Independence resident. Happy birthday from Grandma. Andy Shepard is 45.
Daryl Broomfield celebrating number 75. A very happy birthday to Daryl. Cliff and Lori Nading. They are celebrating 3 decades of marriage. Congratulations to the Nadings in Columbus. And Roe and Frosty Parsons, a very happy birthday in McCune.
All right, and we also have Alan and Christina Grimmit celebrating 24 years together. Give them a screen of their own there. They're in Parsons.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. That's where you can send them into. And here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up when we transition over to the KOAM Morning News on 5.